Hello guys, and welcome to the Michael GR95 YouTube channel. I'm joined here with my guest star, my daughter Belle. Say hi, Belle.
Hi.
Alright, so we're just got our phone from TextNow Wireless, and we're gonna open the box and see what they give us. So
Hi.
she loves to say hi, so I'm just gonna grab my scissors. Hope I can do this with one hand. Normally TextNow would normally do like an app that lets you do free texting through Wi-Fi, but now they have their official prepaid no contract phone service, which will give you unlimited talk and text to the US and Canada. So hang on a second, bear with me as I'm opening this box.
Open that.
Yes, open the box.
Daddy?
Yes, and there you go. All that bubbles. And a return label in the event that it comes in here defective. Alright, I'm going to let her play with the bubbles. So here it is. From TextNow Wireless. I see here. And here you go. It comes with a 30-day hassle-free return, which provides you with a full refund in the event it came here defective. So here we go. This is the phone we have, the LG K3. I know, pretty much like a simple smartphone, but you know what? It's something that we can use for like calling, texting, and possibly use of data. Which they do have data plans. Their first plan is just for unlimited talk and text for $9.99 a month. You can get a 2 GB plan for $19.99 a month, 5 GB plan for $29.99 a month, and an unlimited plan for $39.99 a month. Now keep in mind with the unlimited plan, if you exceed more than 23 gigs of data, you will experience slower speeds. So here we go. I went in a little further into the box. Got the battery for the phone. Got the charger. And the rest is just junk. And in here, this little envelope. Oh, it's empty. Normally it would have come with an instruction guide on how to set up the phone. But there's no worries for me because I have a similar phone. Oh, here it is. Quick start guide. My bad. That's what it came with. Just follow these steps and sign into your TextNow account and you will be all set. Now keep in mind the data plan is already hooked up. So all we got to do right now is open the battery compartment. Try to find a place to open it. Alright, hang on. Sorry guys, I'm pretty much only using one hand. I would let my daughter hold the phone, but she won't focus it on here. You know, let me put my phone down for just a second. Let me just open this up. Because I don't have the fingernails to open it up. I'm going to have to open it up from where the battery charger is, right there. Wish I had some extra light, but I have a crappy phone that I'm using for the recording. Anyway, there you go. Now we're just going to simply put the battery in and see how it turns on. Oh! It has a SIM card right there and place for you to put your SD card. Let's close this up. Now this is my girlfriend's phone, but I am going to set this up for her because, no offense, but she doesn't know much about phones. So we're going to turn this on. LG powered by Android. Yeah, as you can see, she loves to play around with stuff and her toys. Here we go, booting up. LG, life's good. Okay, we're going to save the return label in the event that we have to return it for any reason. Here we go, phone's booting up. Give it a moment. So what do you think of the phone, Belle? Yeah, phone. And there we go, it already boots up. Do that. And it comes with the TextNow app for calling and text and a regular calling app. So you can still use this, it's just you preferably want to use the TextNow app. Now, as you may have thought that it could be laggy on most phones, but they designed these phones to handle the TextNow app, and hang on, it's got to do its special loading. So 3G and 4G can finally work on this thing. I'm not going to go through the system updates on the video here, But we're just going to take a look and see what it says. Sorry, my camera will not autofocus. It pretty much just says hands-free activation. Your device has been activated now. Alright. No, it's going to check for other updates. And unfortunately, we're going to have to deal with this part. Because right now, while it's doing the updates, you can only do emergency calls. And unlike having the TextNow app alone on regular phones with already data plans, you cannot use it for 911 calls. But for these particular phones, you can make 911 calls now. And like I said, the plans range from just talking text to unlimited data. Okay, my daughter had to get in the way. So let it do its thing. I'm sorry, my camera is just garbage that I'm using. But it's the only phone that I have that actually has space to be able to have videos on my phone. So we're going to pause right here for a quick moment while it goes through its updates, and we'll get back when we're ready to go. Okay, so it's finally done. There's actually another one that pops up right here. Pretty much just says Android update download. Pretty much a download is complete. But I'm not going to deal with this right now. It'll pretty much just say you can now download the latest software update for improved performance, security updates, and other enhancements. It won't delete any of your content, but we highly recommend using a Wi-Fi connection as this is a large update. Please ensure your battery is fully charged before continuing. This update will require that your phone will be rebooted, and it will not be available for emergency calls while installing the software. Now keep in mind that this is a big download. I recommend being on Wi-Fi if you can. If not, then just go with it. And another thing about these phones is that it's powered by Sprint, so some areas will suck connection and others will be good. It all depends, but always use Wi-Fi whenever you can. And obviously you already know how to set up the Wi-Fi and pretty much how the phone pretty much loads up. Get like apps from Google Play. I believe TextNow has iPhones, I think, but mainly Androids. And this is pretty much the cheapest phone they had available, I believe. It's like $34.99, and I think usually they give promo codes for customers using TextNow apps on regular phones, and pretty much new customers. And if you're connected to Wi-Fi, there's the ability, hang on, I'll show you. I gotta log on, unfortunately, so let's go ahead and finish this. So, obviously, hang on. I did not mean to show that. Hang on, let's see if it'll, nope, okay. So I'm pretty much gonna hide this right quick. I'm gonna log in. Because like I said, it's my girlfriend's phone, not mine. I already unboxed mine and I meant to make a video of it before. So you pretty much log in and then you'll get this saying you're almost there, continue to activate. Tap continue to complete your activation and pretty much you're all set. And I'm not going to reveal the phone number or anything, but I'm actually going to show you the ability to be able to, whoops. So hopefully not showing the top too much. You tap on account balance. Pretty much I'll advertise that, but just X out of that. Add a line, get $20 off. Sorry, there we go. Pretty much invite your friends to sign up for TextNow Wireless and they will receive $20 off at checkout. Once they sign up, you'll receive $20 account credit pretty much towards your phone bill or for international calling. And actually, TextNow Wireless will offer the ability to make international calls. So far, you can pretty much make international calls for free through Mexico and the UK. And I do apologize for my daughter crying in the background. Sorry about that. Now resuming the video, obviously your account balance will be 0, and you have 10 cents for international calling credit. Now you can pretty much tap on earn money for your account, watch ads or complete offers, and then apply PIN code, enter a code purchased at a retail store. But we're going to tap this. This is pretty much the ability for you to earn credits towards your bill, or you can add it towards your international calling. Obviously, you can't watch videos over your data connection. It'll say, watching videos may use 20 megabits or more of your data cap. Please connect to Wi-Fi to continue. So once you connect to Wi-Fi, you can earn these. It can range between 5 cents to 15 cents each video, or sometimes it could be more. But I haven't really gotten to test it out very much, but I did a couple of times before, and it does earn you credits. Like I said, it can earn credits towards your bill or the international calling. I will also apply a link on the description on how you can be able to see how much it is for international calling. Like I said, as far as I know, you can make calls for free to Mexico and the UK, but that is subject to change. Then after that, you pretty much just pay whatever you want for your text, calling, and data. Obviously, you get unlimited talk and text pretty much if you pay $9.99 a month. But these phones are designed to prioritize Wi-Fi, so if you can get a Wi-Fi connection, that's good. If not, it will use your cellular service for calling and texting. So that's pretty much it. And obviously set up your account and whatnot, and you're all set to go with your phone. If you have any questions about TextNow Wireless, I will also include a link in the description for the frequently asked questions. And then pretty much you're all set. And I'll include other links from the TextNow website to hopefully better help you on this. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and hopefully, yeah. Alright, hopefully see you in the next video.